Continue with cricket. The champions for this season's Ray & Nephew SDC T20 cricket competition will come from central Jamaica after contrasting 5-wicket victories for two-time winners Racecourse and first-time finalists Fairfield United in semi-final action at the Ultimate Cricket Ground in St Anne.
In the battle of first-time semi-finalists, the Manchester-based Fairfield inserted Paradise of Westmoreland and were in control after a double strike from Rian Edwards with a score of 25. A 31-run third-wicket stand between national representative Paul Palmer and Howard Palmer repaired the innings, but Paradise lost Howard and former West Indies under-19 player Shahid Crooks in an over to Sheridan Allen, which swung the pendulum to the Manchester-based team. At 56 for 4, it was a Jamie Merchant show, as he mopped up a struggling innings at 116 inside 20 overs with 3 for 27. Paul Palmer, one of Merchant's victims, top scored with 24. In their chase, Fairfield scored boundaries at will, but slipped to 54 for 3 after a stunning catch from Crooks to dismiss the hard-hitting Tristan Coleman for 12. Former National Youth Representative Brian Clark was the brain of the innings with 37 from 35 balls, and 24 not out from another former youth player Courtney Allen sealed the Fairfield's passage into their maiden final at 118 for 5 with 19 balls to spare.
I think today we won the key battles. We know that once we saw national captain Paul Palmer, he would get the ball and he was able to deliver. When Shahid Crooks, former West Indies under-19 player, came to the crease, we gave Sheridan and he delivered. So those little key battles we won, but we still knew that we had to come out and play a full game of cricket.
In the day's second encounter, host Links United, having limped to 58 for 3 inside 9 overs against Racecourse, were given a breath of fresh air by a 47-run fourth-wicket stand between Deethmar Anderson and Stephen Alexander. Anderson, who top scored with 37, cracked 4 fours and 2 sixes in his 23-ball knock. His demise at 131 for 5 in the 17th over saw Links United restricted to 163 for 9. This as Romario Edwards took 3 for 24. The Clarendon-based team were rocking at 39 for 3 inside 4 overs during their chase. However, a missed run-out opportunity of Damar Duncan proved to be the game-changer as he blasted 34 from 24 balls with 3 sixes, which revived the innings. At 97 for 5, Links United prized the door open, but that was slammed shut with an unbroken 67-run sixth-wicket partnership between captain Krishmar Santoki 41 and the experienced Dwight Stewart with 28. Santoki was particularly savage with 4 fours and 2 sixes, which saw the two-time champions ease into Sunday's final at 164 for 5 with 11 balls to spare.
From last week, we know everything in the bag. Not being overconfident, but when you watch the games and saw the team that you're going against, you saw that these teams are, I don't want to say, but they're not better than us. But on the day you have to turn out and play, and we come out today and we didn't feel good as we used to, but nevertheless we know we have the batting that can chase down even 180 and